Hey everyone, so welcome back to TWC Projects. We've got something I've been trying to get to for a while, we're going to work on today, and that is cutting those oak, some of that big oak tree that came down. I need to get cut a bunch of 6-footers, some 4x4s and some 1x4s to use for the fence that I want to build up by the road, just a decorative fence around the entry of the driveway. So anyway, I've been wanting to get to this for a while, but had to do a bunch of other things. I think you've seen me do some of those other things, but I've got the tractor down here now set up with a grapple, and I've got the mill all ready to go, and I've got some of my oak logs. I'm going to start with the smaller one first on the top, see how that goes, see how much progress I make, and then maybe we'll get to one of these big ones today. We'll just see how hard it is to cut that stuff, because I remember last time I tried cutting oak, it was slow going and it was hard on the saw. So we might just, we'll get a little ways. So we'll give it a shot. Anyway, it's kind of a cool, weird day today. It's been raining. I was going to start this earlier, kind of raining on and off, but we're probably in the 70s, super humid though, and well, it's Virginia in July. So anyway, I'm glad you're here today, and we're going to get to this in a second, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for joining. All right, so that went pretty well. Casey did a good job getting those cut, and we've got the boards over here now, and we'll, some of them are crap. I knew this was a bad board. Bugs definitely gotten through and through this thing. So, and they were only 5.5 foot, but I figured we'd rip it up anyway. So we got 4 4x4s, 2 2x4s, and a bunch of 1x4s out of it, which is good. And so I'll drop this off somewhere, and then we'll take on one of those bigger ones. We'll take on a big one, see if we can get some better boards out of it. Hopefully that's not all chewed up inside like this one was. So let's keep going. All right, so let's see what we've got here. Looks like 21 inches. Let's see if I go this way. Yeah, about 21. So that's the biggest thing I've put on here so far. Probably the biggest thing I ever will put on here, I hope. All right, so we're just about done here. I cut a bunch of 4x4s, and I've got some more over here. Not the best, you know, some are a little bit, got some bark on them, but they're oak, and they're gonna go out on the, as I said at the beginning, they're gonna be part of the fence, so they don't need to be perfect. And they're gonna get a dark stain on them anyway. So I've got a bunch of 4x4s and a bunch of 1x4s, and I'll probably, if I need to cut up some more of those 4x4s into 1x4s, we'll do that, because I don't know how many posts I need. I'm not going to make very long of a fence. So anyway, that's it. I just wanted to wrap up the video. Thank you for joining. As always, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, and ring the bell if you want to get notified when new ones come out, which is pretty much every week. So anyway, get out there, keep fixing things, creating things, and enjoying God's nature all around you, and have a fantastic week. Thank you.